Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to start the new part of our chapter 4, and chapter 4 is what? The measurement of matter. So we will understand the molecules of an element and compounds of element. Okay. So what are molecules basically? So in our nature there are some atoms, they present in their individual existence. Such individual existence of atom is called as molecule. Like the carbon atom. So carbon atom present in its combined form with another carbon atom as well as other atoms also. Okay, like carbon also present in the form of oxide, that is carbon dioxide. But we are saying that if the element or atom exists in its individual form in our nature, then it is called as molecule. Okay. So there are few atoms which are present in monoatomic form, diatomic form and triatomic form. There is triatomic molecule, diatomic molecule and monoatomic molecule. Okay. So molecule. What is molecule basically? The molecule is the atomic form of any atom which exists in our nature is called as molecule. So we have three types of molecule. We have monoatomic, we have diatomic and we have triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule. So what is monoatomic molecule? If the atom exists in our nature in its single atomic form, is called as monoatomic molecule. So monoatomic molecule. Example, we have helium. Helium exists in its He form. He form में present होता है. So यहाँ पर और दूसरा atom है क्या helium का? No, only we have one atom. That it is monoatomic molecule. So all the noble gases like neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are monoatomic molecule. Then we have diatomic molecule. If the element in our nature exist in free state with two atomic form is called as diatomic molecule. It is diatomic molecule. Example, we have oxygen, that is O2. Here we have oxygen, here we have two atoms of oxygen. So it is oxygen molecule. It is diatomic type of molecule. We have nitrogen, N2 gas. It is present in our nature about 78% in gaseous form. Okay, so it is again present in N2 form. Here we have two atoms. Okay, we have chlorine gas. We have chlorine gas. It is again exist in Cl2 form. That means here we have two chlorine atoms. Okay, now we will understand what is triatomic molecule. So those molecules, they exist in the three atomic form. Like we have ozone. Ozone. What is ozone? Ozone is O3. So here three oxygen atoms are present in its molecule. That's why it is called triatomic molecule. Okay. So write down this part. Now we will understand the compound. Now we will understand what is compound. So compound is nothing but a type of molecule, but where two or more than two different atoms are present in their molecular form, then it is called as compound. Like example, we have water. We have water. It is H2O. It is a heteroatomic molecule. Hetero means different. And here the same atoms are present, but here two or more same or different atoms are present in heteroatomic molecule. So heteroatomic molecule are nothing but called compounds. So H2O, it is a molecule, but here we have hydrogen and oxygen. There are two different atoms are present. That's why it is heteroatomic molecule called compound. So here, or we can say it is heteromolecular, heteroatomic molecule. We have carbon dioxide. Here we have one carbon and along with two oxygen atom. Again it is heteroatomic molecule. So it is called compound. We have NaCl. What is NaCl? It is sodium chloride that we are using in our daily diet. Okay. So it is the heteroatomic molecule. Here we have one sodium and another is chlorine, and both are combined to form salt. That is the heteroatomic compound. Okay. So this is the way we have to represent the elements and molecules. So now we will understand the atomic mass, or we can say the molecular mass of the compound, and it is very important. It is going to use in your next standard and again another next standard. Okay, so this is very important part. Okay, so we have to understand the concept of molecular mass. So molecular mass. So what is molecular mass? It is the sum of atomic mass of all or each element or atoms present in given compound. Okay, so what is molecular mass? It is the sum of atomic mass of each atoms present in given compound. So given compound में जितने भी एटम्स प्रेजेंट रहेंगे, सभी एटम्स के इंडिविजुअल मास के सम को हम बोलते हैं मोलिकुलर मास. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल we have water. So we know the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So this information you have to know. So अगर ये information है, then you can calculate the atomic molecular mass of water. So we know so molecular mass of atom को हम capital M से represent करते हैं. So capital M equals to number of atom of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen plus number of atom of oxygen into mass of oxygen. So m of H2O equals to, हम अभी H2O का मास निकाल रहे हैं ना, इसलिए हमने लिख दिया H2O. So number of atom of hydrogen is 2 atoms है, तो हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus we have number of atom of oxygen is 1 into mass of oxygen is 16. So we have to solve this part, then we will get atomic mass of H2O. So molecular mass of H2O equals to 2 into 1 is 2 plus 16 1 is 16. So molecular mass of H2O equals to 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 is the atomic molecular mass of water. Okay. So calculate the atomic mass of carbon dioxide, molecular mass of carbon dioxide, CO2. So in short, how we have to identify? We know atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. But oxygen has 2 atoms, that means we have to multiply by 2. So here 12 plus 16 2s is 32. So 32 plus 12 is 44. So 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Again we have to take one more example. We have C6H12O6. It is the glucose. अब ग्लूकोज का molecular mass हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. So for that you have to know atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. That information you have to know. अगर ये आपको पता है so you can calculate atomic mass of glucose. So atomic number of atom of carbon is 6 into atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus number of atom of hydrogen is 12 into mass is 1 plus number of atom of oxygen is 6 into mass is 16. So 6 12s are 72 plus 12 1 is 12 plus 6 16s are 96. So 96 plus 12 into 70 is 180. How? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 का 0 कैरी करेगा 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 and 7 17 and 1 carry वाला 180. So 80 है ना. So 180 will be the molecular mass of glucose. So likewise you can calculate the molecular mass of any compound if you know the atomic mass of individual atoms. Okay, so write down this part. So now homework for you. So you have to calculate atomic mass, molecular mass of the homework for you. Okay, you have to calculate molecular mass of NH3, that is for ammonia. Then NH2CO NH2, it is urea. Then CH4 is methane and CH3COOH, it is acetic acid. So 1 2 3 4 compound के आपको molecular mass लिखना है. Okay, this is the same way. You have to write the molecular mass of these 4 compounds. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं next video.